wabarakatuh. I'm Amira Adnan and welcome to my channel. So, today I will show you the installation of DNS and web services part 1. Okay, so as you can see here, I created one new virtual machine, Debian Linux version, and the size is 64-bit. Okay, so the first step after you success creating your virtual machine that you want to use to make the configuration and the installation of the services, you need to go to setting. So here you can see there are many settings. So go to network setting and you can see adapter 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now we only use two adapter, which is adapter 1 and adapter 2. So for adapter 1, it is enable network adapter, make sure it is enabled and attached to NAT. What is NAT? NAT is network address translation. Okay, so go to adapter 2 and make sure we click the enable network adapter and attach it to host on the adapter. Okay, so for the name, we need to make sure that the name is the same with the adapter that we will use later. Okay, so once you're done, click OK and go to Tools. Click the list icon and go to Network. Okay, and you will see this. Here we can see the section to configure the adapter and the DHCP server. So make sure it is enabled here with the IP address 15192.168.56.10. Okay, and then you need to go to adapter and make sure it is the same IP. It have the same IP address, which is 192.168.56.10, and the IP before network mask is 255.255.255.0. Next, go to the DHCP server, enable the server, and make sure the server address is 192.168.56.10, and the server mask is 255.255.255.0, and click apply. I can't click this apply since mine was already set up, so I can't click apply. So for those who did not set up this yet, so make sure you click apply. Okay, once you're done, click again to your virtual machine and then click start. Okay, make sure you enter the correct password. Okay, once you're done, you can see this interface. So go to your search on Windows and search View Network Connection. Here you can see this VirtualBox host on the Ethernet adapter. Right click on it, go to Properties, and make sure you click or tick on Internet Protocol version 4 in bracket TCP/IPv4. Go to Properties and make sure the IP address is the same, which is 192.168.56.10, and the subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. Once you're done, click OK and close. Now go to your search again and search command prompt. Once you have this command prompt, we need to use the ipconfig command to see the details of the addresses. So we use the ipconfig. Here we are. We can see this details, list or details of addresses, internet addresses. So here we can see the internet adapter Ethernet 2 with our IPv4 address 192.168.56.10 and our submask 255.255.255.0. Okay, once we are done, minimize and open back your Debian, go to activities and find the terminal. Once we open the terminal, we need to use the IP address command, which is ipaddr, to see the network interface. So here you can see the network interface, which is ENP0S3 and ENP0S8. What is this actually? Okay, this EN is stand for Ethernet, and P0 here is the number the bus number of the internet card, and this S8 is the slot number. Same goes to ENP0S3. Okay, here we can see our address. Once we have done here, we need to verify the network connection. But how? Let me show you. We need to use the ping command, which is ping, and type our address, which is 192.168.10. So enter. Once you can see this, it means that we have verified the connection. Okay, once you have done, close this terminal, and now we need to verify the connection on the client using the command prompt. So we'll clear it first, and we use the same command, which is ping 92.168. So once you get this, it means we are already get the connection between the client and the server. So I think that's all we need to be done before we set up the DNS and web service. So we will continue installing the DNS and the web services on part 2. I will update it soon, so stay tuned.